Florin has an appeal that I personally haven't seen at other schools.
Florin's very unique with how diverse we are.
I feel like at Florin you'll meet other people that are similar to you but never the exact same.
Elk Grove Unified is really proud of all of the pathways that are offered at Florin High School. There are several different pathways for students to get involved in. Everything from the culinary field to agriculture, engineering, law. And then we have auto technology and audio and music production, which is called AMP.
In traditional music classes, it's really more instrument focused. But now with the advent of technology and computers, now we have this new way that kids get to make music, where students can sit down at a computer and they can kind of just move audio around and then add new things, try different things, and they kind of come into it thinking more like the composer, like the orchestrator.
If I have actual, like add actual, might as well have the audio ready.
One of the biggest things that I love that we learn here is that we learn how to set up a professional studio. Being able to do that in my high school year was a game changer for me.
There aren't that many type of opportunities to do something like this in this academy. We learned how to make beats, sample, use orchestral instruments.
Sometimes this is the thing that keeps students coming to school. I've had some students who struggle in their other classes, but they tell me I'm here today because of this class.
Florin High School is the perfect place for students to explore pathways because the community here is really special. The administration works very hard to make sure that each student has an adult that they can connect with, and through the pathways, students really find their people.
If a student was thinking about joining the automotive program in technology, I'd say go for it. Even if you're not trying to have automotive as a career path, it's still a good thing to know, and you also get college credits. It's really beneficial in my opinion.
This program would prepare students to enter into the automotive industry as well as just maintaining their own cars. We cover all the machinery that a person would normally see in a typical automotive shop.
It prepares you for a lot. Almost every day we're doing something hands-on. This program has definitely elevated my high school experience because there was automotive, which is something I love to do. I love working on cars, and I like being around people who like the same interests.
Not every path for automotive has to go through college. They can just leave here, go right to work, and start making some money.
There is a lot of school pride at Florin High. The students there are proud to be Panthers, and that's something that the administration at Florin High School really strives for, making sure that every student feels like they have a place.
Mr. Lesh has helped me a lot, learning how to do things the right way.
It's okay if you come in here not knowing how to do anything in terms of music, because our academy is here to enable you to get into that industry.
We have a lot of different programs that other high schools don't offer, so it really gives the kids a unique path that they can go and basically figure out what they want to do in life, or at least enjoy high school while they're here. If you're not enjoying high school while you're here, you're kind of doing it wrong.